How to fix AirPods battery pop-up not showing on iPhone. So if you want to fix your AirPods battery pop-up not showing on your iPhone, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. First, you can check the Bluetooth connectivity. Ensure that your AirPods are properly connected through Bluetooth to your iPhone or any other compatible device. Sometimes toggling Bluetooth on and off can refresh the connection. So go with your control center and then just turn on your Bluetooth on or off. The second thing you can do is check if your AirPods case has enough battery power. If the case is dead, the AirPods won't be able to connect or show up on your device. The third thing you can do is your software updates. Make sure that your iPhone or any other device that's running a latest software version. Sometimes outdated software can cause compatibility issues with AirPods. To check your software, you need to open up your settings, scroll down, go with General, and then go with Software Update. And here, if you have any updates, just go and update it. It might fix your problem. Or you can also reset your AirPods. Try resetting your AirPods by placing them back into the case, closing the lid, and then holding the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber a few times. Or you can also check your AirPod settings. You can go with your device Bluetooth, tap and hold on to your Bluetooth, go with the Bluetooth settings. Under your Bluetooth settings, you need to just go with the settings option under your AirPods and make sure that it is not disabled. Or you can also try the option of forget this device and then again connect your AirPods and it might fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.